The search, as many of you know, to find the coolest things made in Connecticut has reached the finals for the past few weeks. We've been highlighting this new competition from the CBIA Foundation, celebrating the state's manufacturing industry. What started with 16 Connecticut-made products is now down to just 2. The final matchup is Sikorsky's Black Hawk helicopter versus General Dynamics' Electric Boat's Virginia-class sub. Now, CBIA is partnering with the Connecticut Office of Manufacturing and Constep for the competition, and we're joined now here by Brett Bushnell, principal of Clifton Larson Allen in West Hartford. Thanks so much for being with us, Brett. Welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
Great to have you here. First off, tell us a little bit more about CLA and the involvement here.
Yeah, it's CLA, Clifton Larson Allen. We're a professional services firm. We provide wealth advisory, digital, audit, tax, consulting, and outsourcing services to our clients. We've got about 130 offices across the U.S. We've got 3 right here in the state of Connecticut. We serve a number of industries at CLA. Manufacturing is a significant one for us and one that we're really passionate about at CLA. So when we were given this opportunity to get involved and celebrate Connecticut's manufacturers, we knew we wanted to be involved and just really happy to be a part of it.
Yeah, talk a little bit more about the incredible impact that manufacturing has here in Connecticut. A lot of people don't necessarily think about it right off the bat, but it is so critical.
It really is. Close to 5,000 manufacturers here in the state, 160,000 manufacturing employees, represents about 12% of our state's economy. So big driver of our economy, and just great to be able to celebrate these manufacturers.
And really great to see that these 2 huge manufacturers are in the final 2.
Yeah, it really is, and a lot of excitement around the competition, and our first year of hosting this competition, and to think that I think we've had over 103 votes so far. So again, just really excited to be a part of it. A lot of outreach on social media, and just a huge success in this first year.
Right. So how do you think it's going to play out?
We'll have to
hate to put you on the spot.
Yeah, there's a manufacturing summit on October 2nd at the Connecticut Convention Center. It's going to be bringing hundreds of manufacturers together. Certainly, I'll be there. CLA will be there, and we'll see who the winner is then.
Yeah, it is really exciting, and just a great way to highlight manufacturing and other businesses and companies here in Connecticut.
Yeah, it really is.
There's so many, really.
So many here in Connecticut, and great to give them the recognition that they deserve.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll have to wait and see how it plays out, and gets crowned as the coolest thing made here in Connecticut.
Absolutely.
All right, Brett, thanks so much for being with us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
We do appreciate you and your partnership and your involvement with this competition with CBIA.
Thank you.
It's great to see.
Yeah, thanks.